Heyo, it's me, Harper Savage, and today we're gonna be doing another calendar page. I know it's late. I know. I understand. I know what day it is. Okay, I know what day it is. It is way later than the 1st of February. But listen, I just didn't have time. So today I'm gonna be using some watercolors I have off to the side here. They are Michael's brand of watercolors, so Artist Loft, whatever. And let's just get right into it. Unfortunately, this is the best I could do with the washi tape because of these thingies here. I couldn't get the washi tape to sit here. So I'm just gonna have to be careful around that edge. Okay, I'm gonna wait for this to dry before I start another layer. So despite me absolutely hating yellow, I think I'm gonna do the background in yellow because we kind of lost a lot of it when I blended and let the colors kind of drip into each other. So yellow it is. Now that it's nice and dry, there's only one thing left I want to do, and that is going to be outlines. I have black and purple picked out here. One's a Sharpie and one's a Crayola. They're both permanent marker types. I'm going to try purple first to see how it looks over the darkest colors before I go ham and do it all. It looks good on the camera, it just doesn't look as nice in real life. Maybe we'll just stick with black lines. And here it is, all done here. I'm glad I chose to do watercolor this time. I was freaking out a little bit there because it was turning brown where the yellow and the green met, because yellow is rude and I hate it. But I think in the end it did end up looking pretty good. Hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to do all the cool YouTube things of comment, liking, and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!